Here's the area where you can do many different techniques across the top. This is the area where we're putting personality into the hair design. Today we're showing and demonstrating a 45-degree finger angle. We're working within the back two sections down the middle, taking the first section and cutting it in an elevation is 90 degrees. Finger angle is going to be 45. And I'm going to bring everything from the sections, it arrays from the center around to the right. I'm going to bring everything to that first cutting position. So there's my 45. Elevating everything straight up, good tension. It's 90 degrees off the head and finger angle is 45. I'm over directing everything into that very first center section, and if you notice, the foundation of the hair here is left down, and that's your foundation, and these layers are sitting on the top of it. This is a different view where you can see the 45-degree finger angle. Now I'm going from the center over to the right, and I'm taking pie-shaped partings. This is a great practice for layers, and it's one of many forms, but what it does is create softness off the top of the hair, and if done right, you're keeping the foundation full and left with a lot of volume, and this is great for someone that has thin, fine hair. If you layer too much down into the perimeter of the hair, it makes it look thinner and finer. In this case, this is taking weight off the top and keeping the fullness down at the bottom. So we did our elevation, over direction, finger angle. These are the three movements you're going to be doing every time you're cutting hair. The repetition is the mother of skill. You're going to repeat the same thing over and over and over, and this is what in the end creates your masterpiece. Now you can see that it's layered in the back section. You don't necessarily have to layer the front. Those layers can sit right off the top, and you can keep all that weight in through the front so that they don't have thin, fine hair there. There are clients that have a lot less hair in the front than they do in the back, so you may want to leave that alone.